ஆண் குழந்தை பெயர்கள் B letters with name meaning. Bhairav meaning name of Lord Shiva. Bharat meaning another name of India. Badri meaning bright night. Babu meaning gentleman. Bharat meaning art. Balan meaning youthful. Bhargav meaning Lord Shiva. Bhairava meaning very scary form. Badris meaning Lord Sri Vishnu. Bhaskaran meaning sun. Balesh meaning name of Lord Ganesha. Bharati meaning liberation fighter. Balakumaran meaning son. Balram meaning Lord Krishna's brother. Bhagyaraj meaning Lord of faith. Balakrishnan meaning young Krishna. Balachandran meaning young moon. Badri Prasad meaning Lord Vishnu. Bhaskar meaning Lord Surya. Bhuloganathan meaning ruler of the earth. Balamurali meaning young Krishna. Balamurugan meaning young Lord Muruga. Balasubramanian meaning young Muruga. Bhuvaneshwar meaning Lord of the world. Bharadwaj meaning lucky bird. Balaji meaning Lord Tirupati. Bhubadi meaning Lord of earth. Bhumesh meaning Lord of earth. Bhubalan meaning mercy. Bhushan meaning ornament. Balu meaning young. Bikram meaning brave. Paisakh meaning goodwill. Bhagavan meaning God. Paisit meaning love.